Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and as you all know, today we are starting CBSE 9 and linear equations in two variables, right? So this chapter we are going to start today, a very easy chapter for all of you out there, because this is the very basic. You are going to study more about this topic when you will be moving to your grade 10th. So a very important chapter, because the next part will be carried out in your grade 10th. Okay, so once again welcome to the class, and let us start the class without without any more delay. I'm really sorry. Okay, so let's start the class. So before I start my class, let me tell you all of these things, that whatever difficulties you were facing till now related to the doubts or notes or tests or assignments were not given on time, you don't know from where you can prepare for your competitive examinations, choice of schedule or the choice of language. So everything has been solved by Vedantu. Now each and every doubt of yours will be solved in class by a dedicated teacher. Notes will be provided for each and every class you attend on Vedantu's platform. Assignments will be shared with you for each and every class you attend on Vedantu. Test will be taken care of in a regular interval of time, so that you can practice more and more questions and you feel more confident. That is very important, right? After that, any competitive examinations like NTSE, KVPY, Olympiad, JEE, everything will be done at Vedantu. No need to go anywhere outside schedule. If you miss your class because of some reason, no need to feel bad about it, because sometimes we have some personal work and we missed class related to that. So you can always watch the re-recording and you can feel like that you have not missed out on anything whenever you want. Okay, and choice of language, that is Hindi or English. Other than that, you can attend unlimited live classes, as many live classes as you want. All the micro and crash courses will be available to you free of cost. Micro courses are chapter specific courses, so any chapter you want to study at whatever time, you can take that part. And crash courses are the revision course, right? Then performance reports to check whether you are improving in some of the subjects which you wanted, or is there any decline. You can see your progress, and personalize attention to each and every one of you. Got it? So for that, you need to go to this link vdnt.in/ytpro and use the coupon code GPEPRO. GPEPRO. This is your coupon code. At the end, I will tell you how this will work. Right? So let us start the class now. So a linear equation in two variable, as the name suggests. Okay, as the name suggests, it is linear. Linear equation, if you remember, we have learned it in the polynomials part, that is degree 1. Degree of the polynomial whose degree is 1 is called linear, right? So the degree of this equations is going to be 1, and there are going to be two variables. So if degree is 1, that means x and y, x or y, any two variables, they are separate terms. So x and y, let's say I have chosen these two variables and some coefficient of theirs, so ax and by. Okay, so this is a linear equation two variable, right? Also plus some constant might also be there. Some constant number can also be there, na? Degree does not change. Equal to 0. X square, y square terms will not be allowed, because in that case it will no longer remain a linear equation, right? So ax plus by plus c equal to 0 will be your general form. Ye kya hoga? This one will be your general form for a linear equation in two variable. This one is going to be the general form for a linear equation in two variable. It is not necessary that every time I am using x and y as a variable only. You can use some other as well. 2s plus 3t is equal to 5p plus 4q is equal to 7x plus 5 is equal to 176. Different examples. Okay, so ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the general form or the standard form for your linear equation in two variables. Remember, your all the standard form, whenever you will write the standard form, it is equal to 0. Standard form you will always get equal to 0. So you can see in the previous example, this is not the standard form. The standard form for this will be 2s plus 3t. Shift this 5 over there, so minus 5 equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form. Now this is in the standard form. Got it? So this is the difference. Okay. So when we talk about the standard form, everything should be on one side. So the coefficient of x is called your a, coefficient of y is your b, and the constant term is your c. These are the three things: a, b and c. Remember, both a and b should not be equal to 0. दोनों साथ में नहीं होने चाहिए. Both a and b together should not be equal to 0. Okay, any one of them at one point can be 0, no problem. Then also we will discuss it further, how that is a linear equation to variable. All that I am going to discuss, don't worry about it. Alright, so both a and b should not be equal to 0 together. Okay, any one can be 0 at a time, no problem with that, but both should not be 0 at any point of time. Got it? Now, solution of a linear equation. How do you find out the solution? So for example, I have a linear equation, say x plus y equal to 5. This is a linear equation, not in the standard form, but a linear equation in two variables, right? Now, as you all know, beta, suppose if I have x plus 2 equal to 3, so those kind of linear equation in one variable, we already know how to solve. For linear equation in two variables, what we do? Step 1 is, we assume the value of any one variable. You can start with assuming value of any one variable. You can assume the value of x, assume the value of y, whatever you want. Let us say I start with value of x equal to 1. So I will see for x is equal to 1, what value of y will satisfy the equation. So in this equation, put x as 1 plus y equal to 5. Now it has become a linear equation in one variable. Shift 1 over there, so y is equal to 4. Got it? So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 is your one solution. Correct? Second, I can take that, suppose sir x is equal to 2, then let's see what is y. So 2 plus y equal to 5. So you are getting y is equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So here y is equal to 3 you are getting. Right? Third, you can go for ki chalo sir, if I now this time if I take y is equal to 0, then what will happen? So x plus 0 equal to 5. So you are getting x is equal to minus 5. Sorry, x is equal to 5 only, not about minus 5. So x is equal to 5 only. So x is equal to 5. Right? So you can start with any value. You can assume any value of x or y, anyone. And any value you can assume, and then get the value of the other variable by satisfying that value of x or y which you have assumed. So choose any one variable, assume any of its value. Whatever value you have assumed, replace that in the equation, solve it for the value of the other variable. So you can see all these values of x and y, they are satisfying the equation. Dekh lo, 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5. So they all must satisfy the equation. So in this way, I can say, sir, in this way, suppose different values of x I can assume. So there are total how many values I can assume for x? I can assume infinite values of x, right? There are infinite real numbers. So I can assume infinite values of x. So for each value of x, there will be a different value of y. For each value of x, there will be a different value of y. So I can say there are infinite solutions for a linear equation in two variables. There are infinite solution for a linear equation in two variables, right? Always remember, this is a very good question. They might ask you in the optional in this optional part ki haan, acha, tell me how many solutions for a linear equation in two variables does have. So it has infinite solution. But if you have linear equation in one variable which you have studied in your grade 8, only one solution. A linear equation in two variable has infinite solutions. It has infinite solutions. Okay, now let's look at some of the questions. So first question is, express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Okay, let's look at the first part. The first one is minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. I can shift this 12 over there. So minus 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Now if I compare it with the standard form equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, coefficient of x is a. So I can say a is minus 2. Coefficient of y is b. So b is 3. and the constant term c is minus 12. Remember, whenever we talk about the coefficients, we think about the negative term as well. If there is a negative sign before it, we consider the negative sign as well. Okay, then let's go for the next question. X minus y by 2 minus 5 equal to 0. So it is already in the standard form. You can take the value of a as 1. Okay, b, see, remember, coefficient is whatever you are multiplying with y. So here I have multiplied, what I have multiplied with y? I have multiplied minus half, and your c constant term is minus 5. As simple as that. Third one, 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So if I compare it with the ax plus by plus c equal to 0, coefficient of x, a is 2. Okay, coefficient of b or coefficient of y, we don't know where is y term. Okay, let's leave it. And constant term c is 3. Okay, equal to 0 we have. Now, if y is not present over here, if y is not present over here, you must say, sir, it is not a linear equation into variable, it is a linear equation in one variable only, because only x. So I can say I can convert it in a linear equation into variable by writing it as 2x plus, by y is not there, right? So whenever the any of the variable, if it is not present, I can say its coefficient is 0 plus 3 equal to 0. So when I make the coefficient 0, you can clearly see the values of y does not make any difference. No matter what value of y you put, 0 into anything is 0 only at the end. So the values of y does not make any difference over here. The values of y does not make any difference over here. So 2x plus 0 into y plus 3. So value of b is equal to what? 0. The value of b is equal to 0, because since y term is not present, its coefficient will be equal to 0. If x term is not present, you will say its coefficient is equal to 0. Got it? And then we can go for the fourth part. Y is equal to x by 2. So this I can rewrite as x by 2 shifted there. So minus x by 2 plus y equal to 0. So I can say coefficient of x is minus half, coefficient of y is 1, and this time constant term is 0, because I cannot see any constant term on the LHS. So whatever term is not present, its coefficient will be 0. As simple as that. Got it? So this is how we can get the values of a, b and c. One more important thing, that it really, see, these values you can also get a different answer. All negative answers you can also get. How you can get it? Ki suppose this minus 2x plus 3y equal to 12 is given. Either you can shift this 12 over here, or you can shift the remaining part to RHS. So in that case, it will become 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. So all this could be negatives also. So either this will be your answer, or negatives of this will be your answer. Okay, 1 or 2 will not change. Either all of this, either the answer is minus 1 by 2, 1 or 0, or 1 by 2 minus 1, 0. Because I can shift this y also over there. Na? Consider this example. Y is equal to x by 2 is here. I can shift this y also over there. So x by 2 minus y equal to 0 can also be done. So in that case, a is equal to half, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to 0. Got it? So this set of answer will also be considered correct. ऐसा नहीं है कि you have to tell कि sir which one is correct, which one is wrong. It is also correct. Okay, but you have to show that how you have transformed that equation. That is very important. Suppose as I have written here, minus x by 2 plus y equal to 0. So bas. If I write it, then they understood, okay, I have I have done the transposition in this manner, and that is how I have got my coefficients. Okay, next question, let's see that. The cost of a ball pen is ₹5 less than cost of the fountain pen. Write this statement as a linear equation into variable. So they are saying cost of a ball pen is ₹5 less than the cost of a fountain pen. So I don't know what is the cost of one fountain pen, what is the cost of one ball pen, right? So I can say, okay sir, let us take cost of a ball pen as ₹X and cost of a fountain pen as Y. Now let's read the statement. Cost of a ball pen, that is X, is means equal to ₹5 less. ₹5 less than minus 5. but minus 5 from what? Minus 5 from the half of the cost of fountain pen. So half of the cost of fountain pen is y by 2. Right? So simplify this. X is equal to, take LCM here. So y minus 5 into 2 is 10 whole divided by 2. Shift 2 over there. So 2x is equal to y minus 10. Okay, so shift it over there. So 2x minus y plus 10 equal to 0. So this is your final equation in the standard form for this condition. Cost of a ball pen is means equal to 5 less than, so minus 5, 5 less than what? Half of the cost of fountain pen. So y by 2. Then I have simply solved it. So I have got 2x minus y plus 10 equal to 0. Now you can get infinite solution for this linear equation in 2 variable. Okay. Let's go for the next question. Write 2 solutions for each of the following equations. Okay. Chalo, for example, let's do for the first one. By first one we have is 2 by 3x. Okay. It is like 2 upon 3x, but it is actually 2 by 3x. Okay. Minus y is equal to 4. This is the equation I have. Okay, 2 solutions I want. Chalo. First solution I can say ki, sir, let us take, okay, first solution let's take it as x is equal to 3. Any value I can pick the, I can pick any value I want. I can pick any value I want. So I am picking x is equal to 3. You must understand why I am picking x is equal to 3, because I know x is multiplied with 2 by 3. So if I multiply with 3, that 2 by 3 will be gone and I will get a good answer. As simple as that. So the first solution, put x is equal to 3. So what will happen? 2 by 3 into 3 minus y is equal to 4. 3 to 3 got cancelled. So 2 minus y is equal to 4. Shift 2 over there. So minus y is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So y is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2 is one solution. Right? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2 is your one solution. Second solution, you can say ki, chalo sir, let us say y is equal to 0. Let's assume y something. Okay, so second solution beta, I will say ki, okay sir, let us assume y equal to 0. So if y is 0, it will be 2 by 3 into x minus 0 is equal to 4. So 2x by 3 is equal to 4. Shift 2 by 3 over there. So x is equal to 4 into 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 into 3. So x is equal to 6. So when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. So these are your 2 solutions for the first equation. 2 by 3 into x minus y equal to 4. But it is not necessary that you have to take these values only which I have taken here. Not necessary at all. You can assume any value you want. Okay. Next question, what do we have here? Is x is equal to 6y. Now if x is equal to 6y, let us assume the first value. You can assume anything. Okay, x is equal to 6y. So first thing, let us take x is equal to 6y. Let us assume x is anything, y we will find out, or y is anything. Okay, so chalo yaar, first value, let's assume y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 6 into 1, x is equal to 6. As simple as that. So when y is equal to 1, x is equal to 6. Second value, assume y equal to 2. So x is equal to 6 into 2. So x is equal to 12. As simple as that. As simple as that. So x is 6, y is 1, x is 12, y is 2. Two simple solutions which you have got from the second equation, for the second equation. Ab third wala dekho. Now don't be afraid by looking at the third equation ki sir pi is there, what will do? Don't worry na, whatever. Even if pi is there, what is the problem? X plus pi y is equal to 4. Okay, let's solve it. Let's first part, let us make x equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, I can say 0 plus pi y is equal to 4. That means pi y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 upon pi. Y is equal to what? 4 upon pi. As simple as that. 4 upon pi. Okay, this is your first solution. Second solution ke liye beta, you can say ki chalo sir, put this time let's put y equal to 0. So if I put y is equal to 0, what will be x? So x plus pi into 0 is equal to 4. Pi into 0 is what? 0 into anything is 0 only. So x plus 0 is equal to 4. Matlab x is equal to 4 only. So when x is equal to 4, pi is equal to 0. So these are your two solutions which you have got, 0, 4 by pi and 4, 0. Okay, these are your two solutions for each equation. Let's go for the next question. Now your solutions could be different than mine. Don't worry, it's not like every time you have to take 0 or 1 only like that. You can choose any values you want. Next part it is saying, check which of the following are solution of this equation and which are not. Now they have given us the value. Ab dekho, you might be considering, see sir, they have given the value like this, 0. So which one is the value of x, which one is the value of y? So if you are representing in this form, always remember, first you write the values of x and then you write values of y. So it is always x, y, as in writing the coordinates, x, y. So this is the value of x, this is the value of y, and here this is the value of x and this is the value of y. Got it? As simple as that. So let us check them. Okay, which one will satisfy, which one will not. So the first one, let us check the first one. We have x equal to root 3 and y equal to 0. Now if it is a solution is what? Any value which satisfies the equation. So if this one is able to satisfy this equation, I will say it is a solution, otherwise it is not. Okay, so my equation is 2x minus y equal to 6. So let us see what will be LHS. LHS is 2x minus y, which will become 2 into root 3 minus y is what? 0. So 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3. LHS is 2 root 3 and RHS of this equation is 6. So you can clearly see LHS is not equal to RHS. So I can say x equal to root 3 and y equal to 0 is not a solution. ये कोई solution नहीं है, because LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. ठीक है? Let's look at the second case. In second case, x is equal to half, y is equal to what? Minus 5. So let's look at the LHS of this equation. LHS is 2x minus y, which means 2 into half, x is this, minus, now y is also negative. So this minus stands for this negative in the equation, and since y is also negative, minus 5. So 2 to 2 got cancelled, 1, negative into negative is positive, 1 plus 5, which is equal to 6. LHS is 6. And what is RHS in this equation? RHS is also 6. So since I know that LHS is equal to RHS, so I can say, sir, 1 by 2 comma minus 5 is a solution. Okay, so first one is not a solution, second one is a solution. But simple, satisfy this equation, LHS and RHS are equal or not. Got it? So this is how you will get this solution. Next, go for the next part. Find the value of A. Find the value of A if x equal to minus A and y equal to 5 by 2 is a solution of this equation x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. So what they are saying, that x is equal to minus A and y equal to 5 by 2, it is given that this is a solution. It is a solution. So if it is a solution, it should satisfy this equation. The equation is x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. So it must satisfy this. Let's satisfy them. So put x as minus A plus 4 into y as 5 by 2 minus 7 equal to 0. So minus A, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 into 5 is plus 10 minus 7 equal to 0. 10 minus 7 is 3. So minus A plus 3 equal to 0. Shift 3 over there. So minus A equal to minus 3. Negative to negative got cancelled. A is equal to 3. Right? So the value of A is equal to what? 3. So here, as simple, if something is a solution, it will satisfy the equation. If something is a solution, it will satisfy the equation. So here you have got A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Okay, now this is your homework question. Again, I have given you one solution and you have to tell me the value of K. So do not forget to solve this question and let me know the answer for this homework question in the comment section. Okay, beta. So as I was saying at the starting, the link is for registration is vdnt.in/ytpro. After going to this link, you need to select your grade 9 CBSE 2021 as your target. Click here on get subscription. After that, you have an option of joining for 1 month, 3 months or 6 months. The more number of months you will join, the better for you. You will be more in touch with us for a longer period of time. Also, your price per month will decrease, okay, and you can further reduce the price by applying the code GPE Pro. Just apply this code GPE Pro and your price will change from this to this, this to this, this to this. So that is a flat 15% discount. Flat 15% discount you are getting, and 6 months package is very less compared to the 1 month part. If you multiply this with 6, so it is going to be way above, right? So 6 months package is a very value for money package. Got it, beta? So this is all. This is the link. This is the coupon code. Use this and welcome to Vedantu. So this is all from my side. Thank you so much for attending the session, and I'll see you all in some other session. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.